turn messy data into insights. So how do you do it? Well, it all starts with the right toolkit. Let's dive in. We're going to follow the typical data journey, from wrangling the raw stuff to making awesome charts. First things first, you got to get your data organized, and that's a job for Pandas. Think of Pandas like a super-powered spreadsheet. It's the go-to for cleaning and exploring data. With just one simple command, you can load a whole dataset into something called a data frame. Pandas makes it super easy to quickly get a feel for your data's size and structure. Okay, data's clean. Now for some serious number crunching. That's where NumPy comes in. NumPy is all about high-speed math. Its special arrays are way more efficient than regular Python lists.
How much more efficient? We're talking up to 50 times faster. Seriously.
It handles all sorts of complex math, from finding an average to much heavier lifting. So after all that analysis, you need to show your findings. Time for some visualization. Matplotlib is the original plotting library. It's your workhorse for creating all kinds of charts. So think of Matplotlib as the foundation of the house. It builds the essential structure. But what if you want that structure to look, really good? That's Seaborn's job. Seaborn is built right on top of Matplotlib. It's designed to make your charts look amazing. So if Matplotlib is the foundation, Seaborn is the interior design. It adds that finishing touch. So let's recap. Each tool has a very specific job in the data science workflow. Now you know the toolkit. So what story is hiding in your data?